Add special access to a quiz when you want to provide alternative time limits to individual users or groups of users to accommodate special needs. This tutorial shows the steps to grant a learner special access for a quiz. From the Quizzes tool, browse to the quiz to which you want to add special access. Click the Restrictions tab. Then scroll to the Special Access section. Here, choose from two types of special access: allow selected users special access to this quiz, or allow only users with special access to see this quiz. Allow selected users special access to this quiz lets you assign an alternative time restriction for specific users. Allow only users with special access to see this quiz restricts access to a quiz to specified users. Select the desired type of access, then click Add Users to Special Access. From here, set the special access properties for the quiz, which include due date, date availability, timing, and participants. In the due date section, you can specify an alternate due date and time for the quiz. In the availability section, set an adjusted day and time that the quiz starts and ends. In the timing section, you can adjust and enforce a time limit. Depending on the timing option you choose, you can set a recommended or enforced duration for the quiz. Finally, in the Users section, select the course participants to which you want the special access to apply. When you are finished, click Add Special Access. Then, click Save and Close to update the restrictions to the quiz. Add special access to a quiz when you want to provide alternative time limits to individual users or groups of users to accommodate special needs.